Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer video from a laptop to your iPhone with a USB cable. Now the first thing you need to do, of course, as you can see my Apple iPhone is actually connected. What I did is first connect the iPhone to your laptop with a USB-C cable. Okay, just go ahead and unlock your iPhone and trust the computer to basically access your iPhone, right? Go ahead and give it the permissions, and then you open a Microsoft Photos app from the start menu and come here and select your iPhone device from external devices on the left sidebar. And from here, you are able to see everything on your iPhone. But if you want, you can go ahead and take things from your computer, your laptop, all the videos, right? Select the videos and then come here at the top, right? And click on add items, okay? And then we will choose a destination folder into our iPhone to go ahead and begin the importation process. Really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Sasha. Get more.